Mortgage rates are holding steady, affordability is improving, and for once, buyers have upper hand. But with the government shutdown now stretching into its sixth day, the housing market is walking a fine line between stability and uncertainty. Right now, the 30-year fixed mortgage sits around 6.25 to 6.3, marking the fourth straight week in the low six range. That consistency has helped affordability hit its best level in 2.5 years. According to ICE Mortgage Technology, the average monthly payment on a typical home is about $2,148, roughly 30% of the median US income, down from 35% peak we saw in late 2023. That's welcome news for buyers, but government shutdown is starting to cast a shadow. The halt of the key federal data releases, including employment reports, means the Fed is essentially flying blind. If this drags on, volatility could return and rate might climb again. Still, there's a silver lining. October is shaping up to be the best time to buy a home in 2025. Realtor.com projects the week of October 12th to 18th as the most buyer friendly stretch of the year. Inventory is up 15 to 20% from last fall. Fewer buyers are competing, and sellers are showing more flexibility. Buyers could save about $15,000 compared to summer pricing, and with homes now taking roughly 63 days to sell, there's new room to negotiate. Even NAR's chief economist Lawrence Yun says this is the best environment in more than 5 years for buyers to find the right home and negotiate a deal. But, but, but while buyers get some breathing room, the shutdown is already disrupting certain areas of the housing market. The National Flood Insurance Program has paused new policies, putting over 1,300 home closings a day at risk. USDA loans are also on hold. FHA and VA processing are delayed, and the uncertainty is hitting certain regions hard. In Washington D.C., for example, median listing price are down nearly 15% year over year, while inventory has jumped almost 49%. So, what does this mean for us here in central New Jersey? Buyers, this is your moment to explore options and negotiate from strength. Sellers, pricing and presentation matter more than ever. The market isn't crashing, but it is shifting, and strategy will make all the difference through the rest of the fall.